This assessment asks us to classify this molecule as having either 4n or 4n plus 2 pi electrons. There are 3 pi bonds in this molecule that are all in conjugation with each other. Each pi bond contains 2 electrons, so there are 6 pi electrons in this molecule. With 3 pi bonds, we have 6 pi electrons. We can plug this into our 2 formulas to see which one gives us an integer value for n, and that will tell us whether it's 4n or 4n plus 2. We start with 4n equals 6 pi electrons. That means n equals 6 over 4, or 3/2. This is not an integer. If we go with 4n plus 2 equals 6 pi electrons, that means 4n equals 4, and n equals 1. This is an integer. So we would say that this molecule with 3 pi bonds and 6 pi electrons is a 4n plus 2 orientation.